Hello, today we will be talking about polygon angle sum theorems. Let's start off with some vocabulary. An interior angle is an angle inside a polygon, shown over here. An exterior angle is an angle outside of a polygon, over here. And a regular polygon is a polygon that is both equal angular and equilateral. Interior angle sum of any polygon. The theorem of this is the sum of the measures of interior angles of an n-gon is n minus 2 times 180, such as n if it was the number of sides. If we look at the equation, it's n minus 2 times 180 equals the sum of all interior angles, meaning this angle, that angle, that angle, and that angle. Every single angle added up. We can see this over here by a table over here. If we have three sides, such as a triangle, the equation would be 3 minus 2 times 180, and our output would be 180 degrees. Four sides, 4 minus 2 equals 180, 360 degrees. 5, equation is 5 minus 2, 108 times 180. The output would be 540 degrees. 10 minus 2 times 180 equals 1,440 degrees. And so, n, if there are n amount of sides, the equation would be n minus 2 times 180. The output would be n minus 2 times 180. Let me demonstrate an example over here. You can see that we have a four-sided polygon. So that means if we plug in four sides into an equation of parentheses 4 minus 2 times 180, 4 minus 2 is 2, times 180, this equals to 360 degrees. And we can prove this number because if we look at the numbers I've already planned out, are 65 plus 95 plus 90 plus 110 all equal up to 360 degrees, proving the theorem. Our next theorem is the interior angle of regular polygons. It's not really a theorem, but it's more of a corollary to the polygon angle sum theorem, which states the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is n minus 2 times 180, all divided by n. So the equation is n minus 2 times 180, all divided by n, would equal up to the interior angle of a regular polygon. We can use this example I've already planned out over here. We can see that it is a regular polygon because all three angles and all three sides are all equal. So using this knowledge, we can count the sides having 3 minus 2, which equals to 1. 1 times 180 would give us 180. Dividing 180 by the amount of sides, which is 3, would equal to 60. And if we look at each angle of the triangle, we can see that each angle equals 60 degrees. This one is the easiest of them all, the exterior angle sum of any polygon. The polygon exterior angle sum theorem is that the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon are 360 degrees. We can prove this because if we look at this polygon that I've already drawn out and I've already wrote down each and every angle, we can see that 90 plus 77 plus 85 plus 55 plus 57 all equal up to 360 degrees. Let's start with some problems. I will give all of you some time to figure out each and every problem on your own, and then I will come back to you. For number 1, you have to find an interior angle sum of a 32 gon. For number 2, you have to find an interior angle of a regular 20 gon. And for number 3, you have to find an exterior angle of a hexagon. Alright, so if we were to go back to number 1, we can find the interior angle sum of a 32gon by using the equation n minus 2, which are in parentheses, times 180. 32 minus 2 equals 30. 30 times 180 will equal up to 5400, which is the total angle sum of the interior angle of a 32gon. If we move on to number 2, find the interior angle of a regular 20gon, we can see that if we use the same equation, n minus 2 in parentheses times 180, divide all this by n, when 20 is n, 20 minus 2 equals 18, and 18 times 180 will equal up to 3,240 degrees. Divide all of this by 20, because that is the number of sides we have. We can get 162 degrees, which is our answer. If we move on to number 3, it says find an exterior angle of a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides, and so if we do 360 divided by 6, we can get 60 degrees. Now for a trickier word problem. The word problem states a family wants to figure out an interior angle of their regular polygon house. If an exterior angle of their house is 36, then what angle does one interior angle have? I'll give you some time to figure this out. Alright, so if we see our only variable is 36 degrees, which is a exterior angle, but also remember that this is a regular polygon. So what we can do is have 360 degrees divided by 36, which equals to 10. Now that we know 10, which, if you didn't know, at this moment is our sides of the house, we can use this variable to find out the answer. So we can plug it into the interior angle sum theorem equation, which is 10 minus 2 times 180, which equals to 1,440. If we divide this number by the amount of sides we have, which is 10, we can get 144 degrees, which is one interior angle of the house, answering the problem.